This
right?
conference will now be recorded.
Yes. So already we have seen about pseudo classes. Now we'll discuss about pseudo elements. Pseudo elements, and let us see what are the different types of pseudo elements available in CSS, guys. Yes. The first one, guys. Okay. First one is sorry. The first one is before before right before all of the double colon before, guys. Next, double colon after, no space, guys, no space. Okay, before or after the before this okay selector, guys. No colon is there, no space is there. Okay, no space, guys. Now write two types. What are those here? First, before and last, right, guys? Before, last. Okay, like that, we have different types, guys. We have different types are there. We have different types before. No, after, then, like a placeholder, allow observe, placeholder, then selection is there, all of right, selection is there. Okay, then first character, first line, like that, guys. Different types are there, different types of elements available, guys. Elements available. Okay, in the CSS, now we'll see all one by, guys, one by one. We'll see all one by one clearly, guys. Okay, right. Now I am going to start a new program, guys, to discuss these pseudo elements. Yes, the same here. Now this flexbox example, guys, right? This one just I'm going to modify, guys. The same file I'm going to use. The same file I'm going to use. I'm going to modify, guys. 1 second, this file got stuck. Yes, I'm going to delete all the code, guys. In the head, I remove this all, or else, guys, or else what do I do? I'll take the new file, guys. I'll take the new file. Okay. I'm going to take the new file. Yes, new file. I save the file first of all. Save the file, guys. I'll give the name. I'll give the name like p elements, like that. P elements. Okay, pseudo elements dot html file, guys. Right. So, right. So I'm going to take one program, guys. Right. I'll take one normally HTML. Right. HTML. In this one, I'll take paragraphs, guys. I'll take 2-3 paragraphs. Okay. Yes, I'm taking the one paragraph. One paragraph. In the paragraph, we need some dummy text, right? I'll take some dummy text, guys, in the paragraph. So all of you observe. So I want to get some dummy text. I'm going to take, for example, guys, this all data up to here. Okay, I'm taking this data in this paragraph, in the first paragraph, guys. Yeah, let's go. It's So copy this one. Right, guys, that's over. So I taken one paragraph, guys. One paragraph I have taken. Right. I'll take one more paragraph, guys. I'll take one more paragraph with some normal text, guys. Okay, I'll take normally like a Python is simple, right? Simple, easy, and powerful language, something like this. I take one paragraph like this. Powerful language. Okay, I'll go with another one, right? I'll take here Python is a purpose, general purpose. Okay, high level, high level, okay, high level. Then object, object oriented programming language like this. Now, all of you observe. I'm taking paragraph like this. Okay, like this, guys, right? This is fine. I'll run these files. I'll go to the folder. I'll go to the folder and run that file. Right. Now, all of you observe here. All of you observe here. We got three paragraphs, right? We got three paragraphs, guys. Three paragraphs. That's fine. That's fine. I'll do one thing, guys. I'll do one thing. I'll take the div. I'll take the container fluid. Okay, container fluid. I'm taking the container, guys. Container. In that container, I am going to use these all paragraphs. These all paragraphs, guys. Okay. Yes, I'll cut from here. Yes, I am going to paste here. And so we use divisions means we need those bootstrap lines, right, guys? So these bootstrap lines I'm copying from here. Just I'm going to paste here, guys. Yes, that's fine. Now all of you observe, all of you observe. Let's go there. Let me refresh here, guys. Yes, that's fine. Now I'll apply the elements here. Now all of you, I'm going to apply the elements. Okay, this title not taken now. Okay, let me take suppose enter something like this. Now I'll take the styles here by using a style tag and by using style tag. Okay, right. Now all of you observe, all of you observe. I'm taking the p tag, guys. I'm taking the first p tag. Okay, for p tag, I'll take some font size, guys. Minimum, I take some font size. I take the some font size, right? Font size, maybe some 20 pictures like this. Some font size. Okay. I also take some margin top, guys. Okay. I'll take some margin top, something 30 pictures, guys. Let me save this one. Let me fine. Okay. That's fine. That's fine because we have different paragraphs, right? Right. Now I'll go with the selectors, guys. First of all, let us see before selector is there. Sorry, before element, guys. Okay, element selectors. Okay, so the pseudo classes, pseudo elements. For pseudo classes, we use single colon, guys. If you remember, like nth of type, we use like that. All of right. For pseudo classes, we use single colon. For pseudo elements, we use double colon. Double colon. All of you see the difference. Simple difference, guys. All of right. For pseudo classes, what we use? We use okay. What we use? We use single colon, guys, for pseudo classes. Right. For pseudo elements, we use the double colon like this. Right. Now I am going to use p, right, p double colon before all of right before what does it mean? What does it mean? I am taking here, suppose the content, guys. I'm taking now. I'm taking content, right? Content. Let us see now what content I'm taking now. All of right. Suppose NTH, guys. NTH. All of right. So what I'm taking now for P tag, I'm taking the before content, which one? NTH. Let us see now what does it do. What does it do? All of you observe. All of you observe. All of you observe. See, for every P tag, before the P tag, what happened here? For every P tag, before the P tag, guys, before I used, what happened here? NTH, guys, NTH is a content added. What property we used here? We used a property name, which one, guys, here? So we used the element name before, and property is the content, guys. Content is the property. I take some value. You can take any value, guys. So property value, and here what is element name I used before. So before means before the paragraph. I want to add this content, guys. I want to add this content. For this content, I can apply the styles also. I'll take the suppose font size, guys. This content font size I'm taking now. Font size, suppose some 40 pixels font size. Let me take the 50 pixels font size. Which one? This NTH only. I'll take suppose a font family, for example, guys. Font family. Let me take the cursive, for example. Let cursive. I'll take color. Color. Suppose a red color like this. Let us see now. All of you observe. All of you observe. Yes. Now all of you can observe here. All of you can observe here. All of right. Means before paragraph, guys. Before paragraph, we can, guys. We can add any content, guys. We can add any content. Let's take the font size a little bit more. Suppose 70 pictures like this. I have taken here NTH space, guys, right? I have taken the space. Why I want to get the space here also? I want to get the space here also. All of right. Are you clear about before element, guys? All of right before element. Now let us see about, guys. Let us see about the after, right? After element is there. After, okay. After. Yes. Now what do I do? I'll take the again, guys. I am taking here paragraph, right? Paragraph after means after the paragraph. After the paragraph, then what content you want to take? So this is a fixed name. So I want display like suppose, guys, thank you. That's all. Okay, thank you like this, guys. And before T, I take the space. Right, I want to get the thank you. For this one also, we can apply the styles. I am taking the same text color, same font size of font family. I'm taking all as it is, guys. This time I'm taking the same as it is. I copy from there, and just I'm going to paste here. I'm going to paste here. That's all. Now let's go to the paragraph, and let us see at the end, guys. End of the each paragraph. End of the each paragraph, guys. I think it is not saved properly. Let me save this one. The spelling P after, right? Correct, guys. Let's go there. Let me refresh now. Something is missed. Oh, yes, guys, right? The content. So here, this colon is important, right? Yes. Now, all of you can observe, guys, here. All of you can observe. All of you can observe. Before the content, after the content, guys. Before the content, after content. So all of you can observe. So what happened here? They came in the same line, guys. They came in the same line. If you see here, see, this is the paragraph, right? This is the paragraph, guys. This is the paragraph. Now this before content. and after content they added in the same line, right? Same line, guys. So you can say that now this before and this after are working as a inline elements. All of you remember inline block two types are there. Inline block elements are two types are there, guys. All of right. The two types of elements are there: inline elements and block elements. Inline elements means they will not break the line, guys. Inline element means they will not break the line. They will come in the same line like that. So block means that they break the line. They come in the new line, guys. Block lines, block elements, right? Now here before content, after content, both are working as a inline or block, guys. Tell me now. Allah, let me know. Allah, let me know. For every paragraph, I added this before after content. So is it working inline elements, inline or block? Allah, let me know. Are they working? Are they working inline or block? I'll take the suppose background, guys. Background color also. Let me take. I'll take the green. I'll take the green both the places, guys. I'll take the green. Okay. Background color. I'll take the green. Huh. Right. Now all of you observe. All of you observe. Okay. So in this case, now the working the inline, right? I'll take the display. I take the display, guys. Display. I'll take the block, guys. Display block. Display block means now this before content I'm taking as a block element, guys. This before element I'm taking as one. I'm displaying as a block element. Means that NTH will come in the separate line before the which one, guys? Paragraph. All of right. Currently now the same paragraph first NTH coming, after NTH that paragraph starting in the same line. But now the same before element I'm taking now as a block element, guys. I'm taking as a block element. Which one? This before element only means NTH content only. Let us see now. I saved this one. I saved this one. Let's go here. Let's go here. Now all of you can observe. All of you can see. All of you can see here. I'll change the color, guys. I'll change the color to differentiate. We'll take the background color red here, and I'll take the font color. Suppose, guys, green. For different purpose, I'm taking the green like this. Now all of you can observe here. All of you. So what happened? What happened here? Actually, by default, this before element is which one? Before element is the inline element, guys, by default. But now by using display property, I'm taking the block element, guys. All right. What is happening here? Now by using display property, this inline element is converting as a which one? A block element, guys. Block element. Block element, right? Block element. Now coming here, this after element also I'll take as a which one? Block only. Block, guys. Okay. Block only. All of you see the display property. Yesterday we used display property for the flex purpose. Now I am using for converting the inline to block, guys. Inline to block. Right. Now let us see all of you. Yes, guys. Now all of you can observe. All of you can observe now. All of you can observe here clearly happening, right? So now this is the which one, guys? This is the one element, right, guys? So one paragraph, before paragraph entity taken, after paragraph thank you taken, right? Again, guys, one more, right? One more paragraph before the paragraph again entity taken, and here thank you taken. Same, guys, here also same thing happening. So I've taken the background why to show you that this is the block. Block means it occupies completely from left to right, right, guys? Left to right it occupies. Left to right it occupies. Now all of you clear? All of clear about this before and after elements? Let me know all of you. All of clear about before and after, guys? All of you are clear, right? Yes. Okay. That's fine. So here only, guys, observe now. Here only we can have different types, guys. Just I have shown you only before and after, before and after. Now let's go with the placeholder and the selection also, guys. Selection is there. Okay. Selection is there. Let us see now. First, guys. Okay. First, what you call first letter, right? Or you can take the first line also, guys. First letter, first line, guys. First line. Okay, let us see what is first letter, what is first line, and the selection and the placeholder, guys. Selection and okay, placeholder. Yes. Now in the paragraph, guys, the paragraph. What's the first line here? See, L is there, right? Here P is there, and here P is there, right, guys? P is there in the paragraph first line, right? Now what do I do? What do I do? I'm taking the first guy. Okay, I'll take here paragraph, paragraph first, guys. Okay, what you call? What's the name? Okay, first letter, right? First letter, guys. First, okay, first letter. Yes, guys, first letter. Then what I want now, let me take the more font size first of all. I'll check once whether it's working or not, guys. Let me check once. 100 pictures. First letter, guys. Okay, in each paragraph, first letter. In each paragraph, first letter, guys. In each paragraph, first letter. Let me take the small font size, guys. Okay, 50 pixels I'm taking now. Yes. So all of you observe, actually the main paragraph, this one, guys, actually, right? But what happening here, for this paragraph, I added NTH, right? So that how it became initially, before this, after this block, actually it was NTH, then LO, right? LOREM space IPSUM, like that, it is going on, guys. All of right. If you don't have that before and after, then this is the first character, right? For example, guys, observe now. What do I do? I'm not going to work with this before after, guys. Just I remove these two. Let us see, guys. Now I'm going to remove these two. Which one? This before after. Okay. I'll cut from here. I'll cut those two. Yes. Okay. Now we have only paragraph first letter, right, guys? First letter. Now let us see what is the first letter, guys. We'll see what is the first letter. All of right. Now we don't have that before. If you don't have any before element content, then it takes the actual character from the paragraph, guys. Paragraph, and it's taking from only paragraphs only, not from any other elements. Suppose I'll take here one H2 or H3, guys. I'll take something. Welcome to right, Narayana Tech House, guys. For example, like this. I'm taking now like this. Okay. Now that font size will not apply for this H2 element, H2. Why? Because I'm saying very clearly, I'm working with the first letter of which one? First letter of the paragraph only. First letter of the paragraph only. Now you can see here, yes, guys, not working on the first letter of the H2 element. I'm working which one? On this one only. Now on that one again, guys, we can apply the all styles. We can take the color. We can take the color, some red color. Okay, we can take the, if you want a background color. Background color. Let's take suppose right, yellow, guys. For example, I'll take the yellow like this. Now all of you observe here. This is which one, guys? This is the first letter, guys. First letter element. Okay, first letter element. Now what is the next one? First line is there, guys. Okay, first line is there. First line is there. Now what do I do? Just I go here. I'll take the first line, guys. Let us see. Let us see now. I'll take the first line. Okay. Now we have seen first letter already. Let us see the first line, guys. Okay, we'll see the first line. Yes, guys. All of can observe now. All of can observe here. See, right? The first line, guys. First line in the paragraph. It is the first line, right? So we have taken the font size more, guys. That's why it's coming a very bigger size. See, fonts are taking the 50, right? If I take suppose 30 only, then in the paragraphs, take the first line, guys. In each paragraph, take the first line. Now, all of you observe here. In the first paragraph, we have the multiple lines. Out of multiple lines, I'm taking the first line only. This is the first line, right? First line, guys. The first paragraph. The second paragraph, we have the only one line. The second paragraph, only one line. That's automatically first line only. In third paragraph also, we have the n number of only one line. Only one line. Again, that is also which one? First line only. First line only. First line only. All of you can observe here. All of you can observe here, right? So I hope guys you're clear about this first line, first letter, and after and before these four elements. All of you are clear. These four pseudo elements. All of you are clear. These four pseudo elements. If you are clear, I'll go with the next two pseudo elements. What are those? The selection and the placeholder, guys. Selection and placeholder. Selection and placeholder. Okay, fine. Now all of you observe, all of you observe. Now what do I do here? Yes, guys, right? That's fine. See, let me know, guys. These three paragraphs are inline or block, guys. Now, these three elements are inline elements or block elements. Now, all of you, all of let me know. All of let me know. These three paragraphs are inline or block elements, guys. Inline. See, block means they come in separate lines. Block level means inline means all in the same line, guys. That's simple difference. Block element means that come in the separate line. That's called block element. Inline means they come in the same line, guys. They come in the same line. That is we have seen already. We discussed very clearly that the block and inline elements. Check once our videos in the YouTube channel, guys. Our videos I uploaded there already. Okay. So these all are which one, guys? These all are the block, guys, block level elements. So that's why see separate coming here. This is separate line coming. This is again separately coming. Okay. Now this all I want to make a inline. Then what do I do? All paragraphs, right? Take the paragraph here. All this is the paragraph, right, guys? Paragraph. I'll take here display. Display. I'll take inline, guys. Let us see now. Yes. Now all of you observe all paragraphs coming in the which one? Coming in the same line, guys. See, actually, previously, if you remember, I think to here up to here one paragraph, right, guys? Okay. 1 second, guys. It got stuck. Yes. Now all of you observe in the previous case, in the previous case, see, this is the one paragraph you have taken, and this is the another paragraph you have taken, and remaining is the first paragraph, right? Remaining is the first paragraph. So by default, they are the block level. That's why each paragraph displaying separately. Now, by using display property, what I have done, I have taken the inline, guys, inline, so that all p elements will work as which one? Work as inline. That's why they are all coming as a single element, guys. All coming as a single element. Single element, guys. Single element. All of clear how to take that block level to inline, inline to block, inline to block. All of clear, right? All of clear. All of right. Okay. Suppose, guys. Suppose now what do I do? What do I do? Yes, this one I'm not taking. This one, guys, I'm not taking. I'm not taking. Okay. Yes. Now I remove this first line also. You understand, right? Yes, first character. Everything is fine, na? Everything is fine, na? Yes, guys. Now I'll save this one. I'll run this one again. So what is happening here? Three block level. Okay, block elements, guys. Block level elements. All right. For each paragraph, I'll take one class, guys. I'll take one class. So I take the this we will see later. First of all, let's finish our elements, guys. About display, we'll talk later. Display, but first of all, let me finish selectors, right? Still, placeholder is there, and guys, selection is there. Placeholder is there, and right selection is there, guys. Okay, selection is there. What does it mean? What does it mean? All of you observe. See, if I select any paragraph, this part by default, guys, by default, the background coming the blue color and text coming the white color, guys, right? White color. All of right. If select any part of the content, right? See, so whatever the area I select, that's coming by default in the blue color, and the text coming in the white color, guys, white color. That's what actually happening, right? For all the paragraphs and also for all h1 any element, guys, by default the background is the blue color and text is the white color, right? White color. Now what do I do now? What do I do? I'll take the p means paragraphs. Paragraphs wherever I select the paragraph, wherever I select selection, selection. Then there I want the background color. I want the background color red, guys. Okay, I want red background color. I want the background, right? Background color red. Okay, red, guys. Red, red. Then I want take a text color also. I want take the color, guys. I want take the color. I want take the color. Let's take for example green color, guys. Something like this. Okay, not entire paragraph. In that paragraph, whatever area I select, that area only I want to get this combination background red and color green. By default, what is the background blue? Color is the white. Color means text color, guys. Okay, let's go there. Let me refresh here. Refresh here. Let us see now. All of can observe. All of can observe here. I take the text color yellow, guys, so that it's better. Green not visible properly, right? I'll take the yellow, something like this. Okay, let's go there and refresh here and refresh here. Yes. Now all of can observe, guys, here. All of can observe. So before using the selection element, so if I select any area, by default background coming in the blue color, text coming in the white color. But now I changed my element, guys. Okay, I have taken the element now. Selection element, guys. Selection element. Selection element. Okay. So what does it mean? Whatever the area I select in the paragraph, that area I want to get background color red color and text color yellow color, guys. Text color yellow color. So these two fine. Is it? Can we change the font size or not, guys? Is it possible to change the font size or not? I take font to size, guys. Font to size. Suppose 50 pixels, guys. Let us try. Can we change the font size also or not? Along with the colors, is it possible to change the font size or not? All of you observe here. Is it changing the font size? All of right. I'm trying to change the font. So any spelling mistake here? I think no spelling mistake, right? Everything is fine now. So yes, I tried this one again. Let's try here. Okay, see guys, not working. Changing the font size. Let's see with the font family, guys. We'll see font family. Font, okay, font family. Font family. I'll take cursive, guys. Previously I used cursive, and at that time it worked very well. I'm taking the cursive now. Right, cursive, guys. I hope I'm not doing any mistake, right? No mistake is there. Font says spelling correct, right? Okay. Yes. Let's go there. Let me refresh here. Now let us see. Does it change the style or not? All of what is happening here? It's changing the only which one? The background color, text color only, guys. Background and text color only. It's not changing the which one, guys. It's not changing the font style, right? Like cursive style, and taking the size also not changing, right? Okay, I think I have taken everything proper, right? Font family, font size. Okay, I think guys it works with only the changing the background and the text color only. But I'll check once, guys. I'll check one more time whether does it work or not. Actually, by default not working in this case, but I'll check one more time. All of clear, right? Okay, that's fine. Now, are you clear, all of you? All of you are clear? All of you are clear about the selection, guys? All of you are clear about the selection? The selection, right? Now, one more is there, guys. One more is there. One more is there. That is a placeholder, guys. One more is there. That is placeholder. To work with placeholder, we need a form, right? We need a form, guys. I go to the previous yesterday example because there we have the form, right? We have the form. Or else can I create one more form again? Yes, guys. Just a few minutes, guys. I'll create a simple form here. Or else yesterday also form is right. In the yesterday class example, we are taking somewhere form, right? Here form is the right. Okay, guys. I'll go with the current example again. We have to go back run the program, that program separately. Right now, what I'm doing here, just guys observe here. Just observe now what I'm doing here. I'll take the one form, guys. Okay, just all of you observe. We take the one form tag. Okay, form tag. In the form we have the label, right? Label. I'll take the label. Which one? Suppose, guys, I take just a name. That's I'll take the name. I take the name. Why I'm taking the form means generally we use the placeholder in the form zone, right? Some text. I am taking now a attribute called placeholder, guys. What's the attribute name? Placeholder. Placeholder. The placeholder name is simply your name, guys. Your name like that. Your name. I'll take one more label. One more label. I'll take the label name. For example, contact, guys. Okay, contact. For this one, I'll take the one more input here, and I take the number type, right? Number type. Yes, I'll take one more placeholder, right? One more placeholder. I'll take the placeholder simply your contact number like this. Okay, enough, guys. Now what do I do? I am going to work with this placeholder. I'm going to work with this placeholder, guys. I'm not taking the more number of input labels. I don't take here that input boxes, that buttons all. Okay. Yes. Let me go here. Let me run the that one. Yes, guys. Okay. Just we have the label and input box. Label input box is right. Now I want to work with this placeholder. I want to change the color of the placeholders, guys. I want to change the color of the placeholder. Remember, the placeholder is not an element. The placeholder is not a tag, guys. It's not a tag. It's not a class. It's not a ID to apply the styles directly, because we know the element selectors, ID selectors, class selectors. But this placeholder is an attribute, right? Attribute, guys. Okay. And now, what do I do here? What do I do now? So all of you observe, I am going to take the placeholder. Okay. Yes. All of you observe. All of you observe. Yes. Here, I don't take a P double colon like this, guys, because this placeholder is not part of the any paragraph, right? That's why we take directly here double colon placeholder. Placeholder like this, guys. That's fine. Double colon placeholder, guys. That's all. And there I am taking now, I am taking here that color, guys. I take the color, I take the color red, guys. I take the red color, red color. Let us try to work with the background color also. I'll try to work with the background color, guys. Let's take the green. Let's take the green. That's all. Okay. Let me go here. Let me refresh here. Yes, guys. All of you observe now. If type normally, that comes normally, guys. So by default, initially what is there? Placeholder, guys. Initially, the placeholder is there. I want to display the placeholders like this. Which one? Some different background color and different placeholder color, guys. And the placeholder means it's only for temporary only. When I click my cursor here, when you start typing anything from the keyboard, automatically that placeholder will disappear. It takes our text, guys. It takes our text. Okay. So all of clear. Let me know this place, the selectors, guys. These are elements, pseudo elements. So before, after, placeholder, selection, first letter, first line. All of you are clear. There's all those things, guys. And while practicing, guys, while practicing, you also take before and try with different elements. I tried here with a paragraph, right? Paragraph. You try with different elements, guys. Like take the H1, H2, or like that. To keep on try that paragraph, that after, before, and placeholder means we do in the form only generally, and selection is there. I tried in the paragraph to take the one H1 element. In that one, take the lot of content. Then you try there. You try there. Here, what happened? We worked with which one? That changing the text and the background only, and remaining a back font size, font size, font family not worked here. But I'm not sure. I'll check once, guys. You also try. You also try different ways, guys. First letter, first line. You all try these things, guys. Okay, that's one thing. And all of you, yes.